Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most hotly anticipated announcements in the camera world, the upcoming Nikon Z7 III, a camera that could truly redefine what we expect from high-resolution mirrorless photography. And yes, it's being touted as a Sony A1 II flagship killer by many enthusiasts. Stick around as we uncover every key feature, leak, and comparison that could change your buying decision in 2025. New Nikon camera spotted. N2410 model registration. In recent weeks, Nikon registered a mysterious new camera under the model code N2410 in an international wireless certification database. What's especially noteworthy is its support for 5 GHz Wi-Fi, an upgrade typically reserved for mid to high-end models. Entry-level cameras usually stick to 2.4 GHz, so this immediately signals a serious release on the horizon. Could this be the long-awaited Nikon Z7 Mark III? It's certainly looking like a strong candidate, especially in light of recent patterns. Nikon usually launches products 2 to 3 months after they appear in wireless listings. That means we could be looking at a teaser or even an official announcement by August or September 2025. Nikon Z7 III overview. A professional's dream tool. The Nikon Z7 III, or Z7 III as it's sometimes stylized, aims to push boundaries in both photography and videography. With competition from Sony's Alpha 1 II, Canon's R5 II, and even Panasonic's Lumix S1H successors, Nikon is preparing to release a hybrid beast that's tailored for professionals across genres, whether you're into commercial studio shoots, high-resolution landscapes, or cinematic video production. Let's dive into what we know, and what we can expect, about this powerhouse of a mirrorless camera. Sensor and image quality. Eyeing Sony's territory, early rumors suggest that the Nikon Z7 III will be outfitted with a 61MP BSI CMOS sensor, likely sourced from Sony's imaging technology division. This sensor will rival the one found in the Sony A7 RV, delivering stunning dynamic range, low noise at higher ISOs, and razor-sharp detail for professional-level work. While a 67MP TowerJazz sensor was speculated early on, industry insiders now expect Nikon to stick with the proven performance and efficiency of Sony's 61MP sensor. This would be perfect for landscape photographers demanding ultrafine detail, studio pros who print large-format product, photographers needing accurate color and clarity. Nikon's proprietary color science and new X7 dual image processors will bring further enhancements in tone, sharpness, and post-processing versatility. Autofocus. AI-driven precision. In the autofocus department, Nikon appears to be leveling up significantly. The Z7 III is expected to introduce an advanced 493-point phase detection autofocus system, powered by AI-driven subject recognition and real-time tracking. This feature will be a game-changer for wildlife photographers needing reliable eye tracking. At a distance, sports shooters capturing fast action sequences, event photographers working in unpredictable conditions. The improved AF algorithms may finally help Nikon catch up, or even surpass, Canon and Sony in subject tracking accuracy and speed. In-body image stabilization, upgraded to 8 stops. One of the most significant upgrades is in the stabilization department. The Nikon Z7 III is rumored to feature 8 stops of 5-axis IBIS, a dramatic improvement over the 5-stop system in the Z7 II. This upgrade offers huge benefits for handheld video shooting, low-light photography, telephoto lens users. Incorporating focus point VR, as seen in the Nikon ZF, could further enhance stability when using long lenses or shooting in challenging environments. Dual X7 processors, powering performance under the hood. The Nikon Z7 III is expected to be powered by dual X7 processors, a huge leap in speed, responsiveness, and data handling. These processors will enhance noise reduction and high ISO buffer depth during burst shooting, real-time 8K and 4K video processing, faster startup and image preview rendering. This means less waiting, more shooting, burst speed, up to 20 FPS. In an attempt to appeal to high-speed shooters, the Z7 III is said to offer burst shooting speeds of up to 20 frames per second, rivaling flagship models like the Sony A1 and Canon R3. This would make the Z7 III not just a studio or landscape camera, but also a viable option for action, sports, and wildlife photographers. Video specs. Hybrid shooters rejoice. Video is where the Nikon Z7 III is expected to shine. Unlike its predecessor, this will be a true hybrid camera, offering serious tools for filmmakers and content creators. Key rumored specs include 8K at 30 FPS, 6K full sensor readout, 4K at 120 FPS for slow-motion workflows, 12-bit NRAW internal recording, efficient heat management system. These enhancements put the Z7 III directly in competition with the Canon EOS R5 and Sony FX3. especially for professionals who want cinema-grade footage without the overheating issues that have plagued other models. Build and design. durable and adaptable, the Z7 III is expected to retain its magnesium alloy body, known for durability and excellent heat dissipation. Combined with enhanced weather sealing, this makes it a trustworthy tool for outdoor and adventure photographers. It will also feature a 3.2-inch 4-axis tilting touchscreen LCD, a 5.67 million OLED electronic viewfinder with 4000 nit brightness, dual card slots for flexible media management. This design ensures it can stand up to pro-level abuse and creative flexibility in any shooting scenario. Expected pricing and positioning: the Z7 III is expected to launch at around $3,500 to $3,800, slightly higher than its predecessor but still significantly below the Nikon Z8 and Z9. This price range positions it as an elite camera for professionals who prioritize resolution and image quality without needing ultra-high burst rates or flagship speeds. If Nikon can nail this balance, the Z7 III could become the go-to high-resolution mirrorless camera in 2025. What about the Nikon Z90? While the Z7 III grabs headlines, Nikon also appears to be working on a new APS-C mirrorless camera, possibly named the Nikon Z90. This model has been whispered about in industry circles and could finally be the true successor to the D500 something. Wildlife and action photographers have wanted for years. Expected specs include 33MP APS-C sensor, 15 fps burst shooting, 4K 60p video with oversampling, Full HD up to 180p IBIS, rated at 6 stops, dual card slots. With features like these, it could go head-to-head with the Canon EOS R7 and Fujifilm X-H2S, offering enthusiasts a lightweight, high-performance crop sensor camera that bridges the gap between pro specs and portability. The mirrorless market in 2025, Nikon's strategy. Nikon's roadmap seems clear: strengthen both its high-resolution full-frame lineup with cameras like the Z7 III and Z8, while also investing in powerful APS-C offerings like the Z90 to compete with Canon and Fuji in the enthusiast market. Final thoughts: is the Z7 III worth the hype? Based on everything we've seen, the Nikon Z7 III is shaping up to be a major release in 2025. With its 61MP sensor, next-gen AI autofocus, 8K video, and pro-grade build, it may well be Nikon's most well-rounded camera yet. If you're looking for a hybrid camera that excels in both photography and video, the Z7 III is worth waiting for.